Hello and welcome to another exceptional episode of Workshop and Home. Today I'm going to unsolve the mystery, solve the mystery, unsolve. Anyway, you may be thoroughly confused by the end of the video, but I'm going to sharpen this chainsaw. So to sharpen this chainsaw blade, I'm actually going to use my Dremel with an attachment that's made specifically for sharpening chains. The kit that they sell also comes with an attachment for sharpening axes and one for sharpening lawnmower blades. This is a really simple way to sharpen a chainsaw blade, and I'll put a link down in the description for the attachment. And if you don't have a Dremel, I suggest picking one of those up too. That actually comes in pretty handy for quite a few things. So on the Dremel, I got to take this piece off here. Collar, I guess is what you call it. Come on. Hey, if you don't mind, help me out a little bit and hit that subscribe button down below. I'll wait. Did you do it? Go ahead. Hit the like button too. And we're going to attach this guide just by screwing it on. And the kit comes with 3 different size bits. Now I'm going to use this middle size one here. Seems to fit my chain pretty well. So if you look on this attachment, there's actually a couple of markings here, and they're both marked at 30 degrees. This is what we're going to use to line up the chain to sharpen it. And if you're not familiar with the chainsaw chain, it actually has teeth on both sides of the blade. One on this side actually is angled this way, and the other side is this way. So you'll line up this line on the attachment with the bar of the chainsaw, and that'll give you the correct angle of cut. And when you move to the next tooth, you'll flip that around and go line up the other mark with the bar of the chainsaw. So that'll give you the correct cut there. Now to start this, I want to mark one of these so I know where to end. And I got a paint marker here. I'll just put a little bit of paint on it. And we'll get started. So I like to turn the Dremel on to about a medium speed and then just get in here and line it up and start grinding. So if you look right in here, you'll see where that chain was actually sharpened, right in here. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, And hopefully maybe you're not confused about how to sharpen a chainsaw blade. You probably are. That's okay. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. So a while back I said in one of my videos, I think it was my second video that I ever did, I said I'd shave my beard at 250 subscribers. Well, we're almost there. So if you haven't done so yet, hit that subscribe button down below. Go ahead and hit that like button. And by the next video, I'm guessing I'll be beardless. Great, just in time for winter.